Hello everybody, welcome back to North Lakes Farm. Today I'm going to show you our chickens. As you can see, they're very healthy. Get some nice eggs, very nice color. With chickens, if you know if their eggs aren't good looking, the yolk should usually be a dark orange. That's how we like it. Yeah. If you want to get that yolk a good color, you want to give them some grass. Nice good grass right there. And some feed and worms, of course. Worms are very good for them. They can also eat slugs. Slugs, any kind of grubs of any sort. Just gotta find a rotten log, push it over, and do some worms. Or call them over and they'll eat it. Or you can pick them up. Oh look, I'm the queen of the chickens. They're following me. Hey guys, I don't have any food. Ah, they're chasing me. You guys are crazy. Say hi, Gary. Say hi. All right, everybody, it's time for me to go. Have a nice day.